The blue horizon, dancing in bioluminescence, strokes before daybreak, or with you in deep eye study, to pierce the soul as if no thought but repose, or if you stumble in muddy footprints to mark the thought or effort, or are you just consuming atoms? But what if the whipbird? And what if waterfall readings as braille on the skin? And could you, or would you, or should you, or did you let them be read? In holy comet glory, though stumbling naked, gravity is no friend but a space so lonesome, as if any battle with entropy were any nobler than the rest. Did you hear that, Orion? Your stars remind me of the Holy Ghost hatcheries and earthly premonitions. As winter flake trembles to meet the flesh, spring leaves bud by a mother's breast, and summer, O sun in excellence and ash of this land, and autumn, a degustation of colors, as the taste of orchestral twirling, maddening with age and sleeping, and through sleeping dreaming, and in dreaming your eyes. Or that the weight of some skin lay by your weary veins, that your heart continue crimson through the seasons and the ocean, that you may be consumed by it, and permeate the world in harmonic titrations. This flesh demands rebirth, but what of the whipbird? And does this neural syntax translate into language? What of the grammar of my biochemistry? And what of the whipbird? And if I hadn't been drinking, would I be saying any of this? The neon light posts before dawn are blinding. Do you feel me, human? The sky depicts our mirrored projections, and golden shore twirling, though plastic, majestic. And in smoke trail voyaging, destiny teases skin through moonlit searchings. But what of the whipbird? And if any other bird, what of sowing feathers? Thank you.